question that one needs to ask, before saying that have more kids and, our population is going, etc., going down, etc. Telangana's fertility rate is, subject to correction, is around 1.7. So the question that one needs to ask is, why are people not having more kids? That's the question that chief ministers, governments need to think of. What has happened, Dibang, is, I think in our country, because our infrastructure, our educational facilities, our Medicare facilities today have become so expensive that middle class doesn't want to have more kids. That is what is deterring from people from having more kids. For working women, the environment is not conducive to have more children because there are not enough support systems in place which encourage working women to have more children. So there are no creches at workplaces, there are no, there are no nursery facilities, etc., etc. So before we say that, please have more kids, population kam ho raha, etc., etc., I think we need to answer some basic questions. You're not able to take up the existing population. Infrastructure is crumbling in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Every urban metropolis, traffic is a nightmare. And now you want more children, more cars, more... What I'm saying is very simple. Governments, before they start making all these statements, need to introspect why people are actually not wanting to have more children. So therefore, and also I feel, I think it's a personal choice. Having a child or no is a personal choice, and I think that choice rests mostly with women, who actually has a uterus. So therefore, my point is, I think we need to ensure, for the existing population, provide the best possible facilities. Delimitation is a separate issue. You can't solve it by having children right now. So therefore, what I would say is, let us fight together in Parliament, as South, that our voice and our representation does not go down because of our success in family planning. Let us fight with Modi ji and tell him कि उत्तर प्रदेश में आप सीट बढ़ा देंगे क्योंकि आपका पार्टी वहां पे स्ट्रांग है और साउथ में आप घटा देंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपका पार्टी स्ट्रांग नहीं है. ये गलत बात है क्योंकि आप you're penalizing and you're disincentivizing those people who have actually followed government's advice back in 1980s and 70s. So therefore the immediate solution, instant gratification, Stalin ji, Chandrababu ji जो भी कहेंगे, instant solution तो मिलने वाला नहीं है. Governments need to address this long term and medium term.